the home screen of the VPN application. Very simple to use. You can tap on the get started free option here, or if you already have a login, then you can go ahead and log in. However, don't, you can tap on the get started option here, and this is pretty much your subscription. You have a 12-month subscription, 1 month subscription, 1 month subscription, and a 1 year subscription. So here you can either purchase any one of these if you want. As you can see, you do get a 3 days free trial to each of these, and as well you do have a free trial or free with limited features option here. You can tap on that and tap on the get started for free. So it will take a while to load. Just give it a bit of time. So if it doesn't work the first time you try it, you may need to tap on it again. Sometimes it may give problems while you tap on the free trial option or free option. So once you're pretty much open the VPN application, this is pretty much the home screen. Here you have the server information as it relates to your servers and so forth. So this is pretty much the connection button. As you can see, once tap on the connection button, it will ask for connection request. Down here, pretty much where you go to select your servers, you can tap on the location option down here. And here be able to select any one of these servers that you would like to use. But do keep in mind, you only be able to access the free servers. As you can see here, you have Finland, France, and quite a few amount of free servers here. These servers are extremely fast. Also, you do have the streaming server section, but you will need subscription to use these servers as well. You have the multi-loop server section here. These servers are very popular for many people, but they only have 2 options, and you will need a subscription to use those servers as well. So let's say you want to get connected to this VPN here. You can select any one of these free servers that say free here. Let's say for United States, and if I do want to add any server at all to my favorite, you can pretty much tap on add to my favorite or set as default. So anytime pretty much open the application, will connect to this free server here. So I can tap on the connection option there, and it will ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK, and we'll start connecting in no time. So that's pretty much how you use this VPN application here. As you can see here, I'm currently connected already. So very good VPN application. It's very fast, and if you do get your premium subscription, it's going to be even faster. So very good VPN application. As I said before, if you have any problems or anything like that, you can let me know in the comment section. As well, if you do want to check out their premium subscription, you can tap on the update option at the top here, and you can see pretty much their prices and everything as it relates to their subscription and what to be getting. I've already pretty much reviewed that at the starting of the video, but if you still can't find that section, here it is. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if we can help you.